Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell mutual funds step by step. First, understand what mutual funds are and their investment objectives. These funds pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Next, determine your personal financial goals and how much risk you are comfortable taking. Finally, open an investment account with a brokerage firm or directly with a mutual fund company to begin your journey. Now, let's dive into researching and selecting the right mutual funds for you. There are many types, like equity funds, bond funds, and money market funds, each with different risk and return profiles. Carefully evaluate a fund's historical performance, but remember past results do not guarantee future returns. Pay close attention to fees, such as the expense ratio, which can significantly impact your long-term earnings. A difference of even 1% in fees can reduce your returns by tens of thousands over decades. Once you've selected your funds, it's time to place your order. Decide how much you want to invest and how often. You can invest a lump sum or use dollar-cost averaging by investing a fixed amount regularly, like $100 each month. This strategy can help reduce risk by averaging out your purchase price over time. Navigate to the mutual fund section on your brokerage platform and enter the fund's ticker symbol to initiate your purchase. Finally, let's discuss how to sell your mutual funds. You might sell to rebalance your portfolio, meet a financial goal, or if a fund's performance declines significantly. Before selling, always consider the tax implications, especially capital gains taxes, which can be substantial. Consult a financial advisor if you are unsure. To sell, simply log into your investment account, locate the mutual fund you wish to sell, and place a sell order for the desired number of shares or a specific dollar amount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.